Good afternoon everyone, welcome to another construction update video here on the World of Coasters. Today you joined me outside of Chessington World of Adventures. We're actually going to be having a look at the construction of the World of Jumanji and the brand new World of Jumanji coaster. Yeah, have a look at this. This is a shot we haven't seen before. Obviously just parked up down in what used to be the old annual pass car park. That's now not an annual pass car park. And yeah, you get this amazing view of the new roller coaster. B&M supports it all up. Since we last visited, there was only a couple of supports up, and they've now got all the supports up. I saw online that there is actually track on site now, so I had to get down here and have a look at it for myself. There's some more down in the car park which we'll go have a look at, and then we'll go see what track has been installed, because I know they've started installing it, but only around the station area. So come on, let's go. Right, so a slightly different format today because the audio was so loud I couldn't really use it. Let's start down the bottom of the site, having a look at some of the detail on the Jaguar statue. I was really impressed with the rock work here. Like, there is some immense detail on this, and when you stand at the bottom of these supports down this end of the site, you really see how tall this coaster is going to be. It's huge. Got another shot of the handprints on the station there, a nice effect. And coming out of the park now, we can actually see some B&M track hiding away in one of the car parks as you come in. Park's building a berm up the side to hide some sight lines. Right, so around by the Explorer entrance now, we can see some of the supports through the semi-transparent like tarpaulin they've got up. Some of the climbers already going through. But yeah, we can just about make out through the tarpaulin what's going on. Some more detail of the shrine statue. It is absolutely amazing, the detail on it, and as you can see, it is a hive of activity on site at the moment. One thing I think Chessington have really missed out on is viewing windows for this construction site. There's none, and people really want to see what's going on, so you see a lot of people looking over the fence, climbing up on rocks. But yeah, we're starting to see around the station now, they put the scaffolding around, start closing it up. And you can just about make out that B&M track off in the distance. Here we go, you can see some of the LSM launch systems on the track, and two pieces of track in, one piece going out the station and the piece that goes inside the station with the kicker wheels and LSMs. Now I imagine they've only put these bits in, like I said, so they can close the station up and get it all ready so they can start theming it. Yeah, very impressed with the colour of the track. I really do like the brown and green, really complements the theming well. Got some more shots of the supports here. The leaves are slowly coming off of the trees. And again, the Jaguar statue hasn't got its jewel, but it's looking pretty good. Here we go, another overview of the site showing one of the flat rides that's going to be going in. The foundation is fully in now. And one more of the station, you can see all the stairs in place. It's going to have a corrugated metal on it by the looks of it. Now I couldn't get down towards the side of the site because Vile Villagers was in place. As you can see here, the entrance kind of went around the side, and you couldn't really see a lot when you went through Vile Villagers, so I didn't bother filming down there today. But yeah guys, what a great little construction update. We'll be keeping a close eye on it. Right guys, so that's it from this construction update video. Hope you enjoyed it. Decided to film the outro in the car. It's just way too busy in the park at the moment, very loud. And yeah, I got halfway out and I was like, oh, need to film an outro. But yeah, really interested to see the track now on site. We'll be keeping a close eye as it goes up. I was hoping they'd be putting some in today, but they've obviously only put the bits in around the track just for the sole purpose that they can close the building up. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you like these videos, by all means leave a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss another construction update again. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.